Welcome back to another episode, family. Afro Senpai here. Today you are going to learn about how to look up the individual stocks within an ETF. Long story short, an ETF is a collection of stocks, so I don't have to buy everything separately. Everything's wrapped together in one smaller lump sum. So let's say there's an ETF that I want to buy, that I have in mind. I'm going to go to ETFdb.com, and there are other ETF databases that do the same thing. I just happen to like ETFdb. Link in the description. So let's type in QQQ, because we've talked about them before. And one of the first things that I pay attention to is the expense ratio. But we want to learn about what's actually in this fund. So I'm going to click on holdings, and boom, it tells me the top 15 holdings. If I want to know everything, I could select this ETFdb Pro status. You sign up with your email. So at the end of the 14 days, if you still need access, just pick a new email. Or you can always look at the company. So this is funded by Invesco. I can just go to their website and look up what's in the fund. So for instance, if I'm looking at ARK, so boom, this tells me ARK Investment Management. I'm going to Google that. It'll take me to this website here, my active ETFs. I'm looking for ARK. It's already there. Scroll down. I'm going to click on Fund Holdings PDF. Now each website is going to look a little bit different. You might have to hunt a little bit. And then it's going to open up the PDF and it's going to tell me everything that's in the account. So I got a challenge for you. If you are so inclined, feel free to take up the challenge. And with that, it's going to do it for this episode. I hope you have a great day. Continue to take care of yourself and remember to smile because you are beautiful.